Good morning, everybody. It's around 8:16. We are back on our account. Had a terrible last week. Unfortunately, nothing really worked out in our favor. Our account did go below 1,000, which is very unfortunate. But you gotta just try to get back up. And first trade I'm looking at for this week is shorts on Nasdaq right now. As you can see, we have here one touch, two touch, and three touch right there. We are breaking right now. I'm gonna take a
Order filled.
short, and the reason being, we're at all-time highs. So any of these short moves are gonna move quick, fast. I do like it. The risk's not terrible here. So even though Nasdaq can be a little difficult to play with, I'm gonna keep it here at 80 risk. Let's put this around here to test these lows again. I do like it here, so I'm only gonna take one for now and see what happens. We had such a nasty, terrible last week, and everything that we played was actually was in our strategy. It just didn't go in our favor, unfortunately. So, you know, we're not gonna waver. We're just gonna keep playing it. So right now we have around 80 risk to 187 profit. Hopefully, we Nasdaq can move pretty quick. So that's the plan. Besides that, I'm not looking at anything else. Oil, I have this drawn, but this is kind of too close. I want to see where this goes. None of these are ready to make a play yet. Gold, actually, this is breaking from the morning. I could have probably played it, but I did not. You have here all the way from the top over here. You have over here. Let's make sure it's there. You have one touch there, two touches here, and then three touches there. And now, as you can see here, it's breaking. It's breaking up. So you would have to wait if you caught. I'm not sure if we'd have caught it here. Would have been waiting until this candle right there, and then gone. So yeah, it's going. Probably that's whatever you take profit right there around 33.89, which seems like it's gonna hit right about soon. So this would have been a great trade. Unfortunately, I didn't take it. I saw it in the morning, but I didn't take it. But it is what it is. I'm probably gonna take one, max two trades, and only take very very like A+ setup trades because we really want to get this back up going. And I understand that red trades happen, red weeks happen. It just happens. It's part of the game. You have to be able to understand that. But very unfortunate that it just happened back to back to back, and now we're down. Everything's controlled. Nothing like it killed us, but it is what it is. But our Nasdaq, I'll keep it looking at it. Hopefully we don't make it all-time highs today. It's only up 0.2% right now. Last time it hit these highs, it got kicked down lower here. So let's see now that it's breaking this trend right here. Hopefully we can really come back down, test these lows right here, and maybe bounce back. So only one contract, guys. I don't want to get anything crazy, since we are in a kind of a rut right now. But that'll be it, guys. I'll be back later on. I will be off my screen, so I'll be on my phone, seeing what happens. I'll probably be back on around 10ish or so. I know we have 8:30 news, and then market open at 9:30. The 9:30 open is probably where I'll probably hop on my phone and see what's going on, because that's when there's a lot of volatility. So that's it, guys, for now. That's my entry. One contract right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's have a good day today. All right, guys, here. So it is 9 in the morning. We are doing good. We are down. Up around $63. It just keeps going down. Actually, I like it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new stop loss right here. Since we did fall really quick, you want to be able to protect your profits. So we're gonna go ahead, and this is gonna be a new stop loss. As you can see here, 9 in the morning. So we're gonna put it right actually above break even, which is pretty great. Not a big loss if it comes back. So we'll see what happens. In a little bit, around 9:30, that's when the market opens, and that's when the volatility really kicks in. So we'll keep it here around $15. Oh, not three contracts, just one contract, and then we'll see. We're up right now, almost $80, guys. So hopefully this keeps falling, and we'll be good. So we'll be back. All right, guys, 9:30 now. Market's about to open here soon. Unfortunately, I didn't take the profit, and now we're back to around up $38-40. So now what you do here, guys, the only thing I did want to say, and this is something I've been working on, is time to take these profits, especially after a red week we had last week. I really want to take some profits because if market opens right now and it comes up, we're gonna be red for the day again. So it's one of those things where it's like I really gotta take the profit there so we can really build that cushion, and that's how we have been doing to build the market to the way, to build our account to the way it is now. I would love to try to get somewhere around here, around $80-90 if it comes back down when market opens. So let's see what happens. Here you go, market is opening right now. Let's see if we can go ahead and kick us down. Let's see. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out, guys. And there it goes. Let's see. Yep. Alright, guys, we'll see you later. Alright, guys, we are back. Fortunately took that small loss, but I'm looking at oil now. This is my main play right now that we are looking at. We are breaking this downtrend right now. As you can see here, you have 1 touch, you have 2 touch, 3 touches, 4 touches, and it's finally breaking. I do like it here. So I think I'm gonna take a long here on oil. Oil is only down 0.3%, so it's not down a terribly lot. Looking at the macro, as you can see here, we just had this downtrend right here, came back here, now retested this, and now we're trying to come back up. We had this nice resistance right there too, but so far it seems like we're holding up and it's starting to push. So I do like this. We'll try for a nice reversal here, try to catch this all the way up there. Hope we can get a nice green trade today. Just to try to get back on the horse and build that confidence again. That's very important in trading, guys. This will be our stop loss, obviously, there. So I'll go ahead and take one, not on the NASDAQ, I'll take it on oil. I do like it here. So, I mean, I'm very eager to see if I should just take it here, guys, like right now there, or wait until this closes and then the next candle, it will be, you know, around somewhere around here. Because we do have from here all the way to there stop loss, and that's a pretty hefty stop loss. You know, I don't want to take a major red day, especially after that small red trade we took, which is very unfortunate. We were up almost $100, and then we were just waiting, and then market open, and then the NASDAQ just, I'll show you, just blasted off. I don't need that anymore. Yeah, we took a short right here. We were up there all the way to here, like up $100, and then market open and we just blew up. So yeah, not much there to do. So you know, it is what it is. Gold too. I was mentioning this before, and it just blew up. It broke this morning, and then just non-stop basically. Now it's coming drawing back, but yeah, it happens, guys. You know, it's just unfortunate. Hopefully, Topsy gets alerts soon. That was really gonna help my case at least. But I'm gonna take a trade right now. I'm gonna take buy a market here.
Order filled.
An oil. Not crazy risk. Nothing crazy. You know, $70 risk basically. You know, here, right here, all the way to there, which is just below this. What's that? I was actually just below that line. And our profit. Again, I would love to see something around this. So kind of a 1-to-1. But we'll see what happens. This is our stop loss. I don't want to draw another safety line right here because it's gonna be too, unless we get like a huge jump or something. But besides that, I'm gonna keep it here. Hope we can really keep going. I really push to his 80s and whatnot. I'll take my profit there, somewhere around there. But that's what I want to do right now, guys. We'll see what happens. $70 stop loss. We'll see how this goes throughout the day. All right. Alright, guys, we are back. It's around 3:55. We were up in the position, but we came back down. We're down around $14. So not bad. I am gonna close the position because the market's closed soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the $15 loss. So we'll be down around $30 for the day on 2 trades, which is actually extremely happy compared to the other last week. So I'll gladly take it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it here.
Order filled.
So $34 for the day, which is not bad. I'm gonna close it because the markets are closing, obviously. But once the markets open at 6 p.m., I will be back. It'll count for the next day tomorrow, obviously. But I will probably take this position again as soon as it opens. I'm gonna take it long because this hasn't worked out yet. So it means that this could still. I mean, even if it goes down here and then we pump back up. So that's the goal. That's the plan, at least. Gold obviously did its thing today. Let's look at the Nasdaq, see what happened. Wow, that is insane. So I had this 416 level and it hit it, and then from that level, it's drowning. That is crazy how these levels work sometimes. I have to do a video on how I put my levels and how I make them and whatnot. But that's crazy. Sometimes I scare myself of how accurate these levels tend to be sometimes. But that's it for today, guys. Only two small little red trades, no big deal. I'm happy with that. We'll be back again, like I said, 6 p.m. to check to see what else is going on, and to take that oil trade long the continuation of it. So we'll go from there. Platinum did nothing here too. What did silver do today? Silver did this and then came back up. We'll see what happens there. But that will be it, guys, for today. We'll finish it up and we'll see you later on. Bye now.